Okay, we're ready to rock. Yeah, I'll just take both bits together. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in this case, what you do see here is that you do have three applications, and this is the task switcher of the N900. And what you see are three applications which really do look like MIMO application, but are actually some application coming from Android. I can go, for instance, to my Google Map application, and right now it runs in this mode, so I'll turn it.
Yeah.
And this is your standard Google Map. You can look at the menu and you can recognize the usual item that you would expect for this type of application. I can go here, switch to my chess application, which once again is the typical chess application that you do have on Android. I can go use it. I don't know what this game is doing here right now, but this is the fully functional game here. I think I'm black, or am I? Okay, there it is. So other application would be the example of the Photoshop application, which is the image editing application that Adobe did for Android. And this application is interesting for us because it is really an interesting way to go and compare the performance to a regular Android device. And what we do find is that we actually do have the same frame rate for the same type of hardware as a regular Android type application. So, but really, the key is that there is no distinction between MiGo application and Android application. They just appear in a similar manner. You launch them in a similar manner. You totally remove that differentiation.
So when you're installing an application, how would that be typically done? You've got an APK, and what do you do with that?
Typically, there's an APK with a script around it. That's how it works right now. It's a Debian package that just gets executed, which takes the APK and practically runs it with that runner. But you do not see it. So from a user standpoint, it's an icon that you click, right? If I go here, I can go and see my list of applications. Many of them are the OV application, but in that package you do see that chess application I was showing, or the Photoshop application, or Evernote, or Dropbox, or what else we have? Your Facebook application. So it is really something which, from a user standpoint, is not differentiated, which is what you want.
And is there any choice of where you install the application, main memory or SD card? Or?
You can install similar to Memo, and MiGo from that standpoint.
Okay.
So that's Alien. We think that it really makes it very easy to get the best of both worlds.
Okay, brilliant. This is Ash from MiGo Experts. We're out.